The launch of the Joint Light Helicopter program has been brought forward by 1 year, to 2021, announced French Minister of the Armed Forces, Florence Parly. Launching the program earlier will enable delivery of the first Airbus H160M to the French Armed Forces in 2026 rather than the original target date of 2028. Helicopter Interarmées Leger is intended to replace 7 different helicopter types used by France's Navy and Air Force to perform a variety of missions, including light attack, armed escort and reconnaissance, interdiction, patrol, and search and rescue. The French military anticipates taking 169 H160Ms in total. The aircraft will be equipped and weaponized with Airbus Helicopters Force System, which can include features such as helmet-mounted display sights, search radar, mission computers, EO/R sensor, rangefinder turret, 7.62mm door guns, 20mm cannon, and laser-guided rockets. The SAR variants will be equipped with rescue hoists. Airbus anticipates certification of the civil variant of the medium twin H160 later this year. The company flew the first production model of the aircraft last December. The H160 features the Linux avionics suite, an all-composite airframe, and Blue Edge active tracking main rotor blades in a 5-blade system. It has an estimated maximum cruise speed of 155 knots and service ceiling of 20,000 feet, with an anticipated range of 450 nanometers. The Russian Northern Fleet this week tested its new Taurus-II DT missile system, SA-15 Gauntlet. The testing took place at the Kapustin Yar shooting range in the south of the country. The belt wagon's painted Arctic white made it into the flat landscape that resembles of a tundra. Several missiles were launched. The shooting was conducted under conditions of active radio disturbance and the targets imitated the behavior of enemy air objects, the Northern Fleet informs. The targets moved in different directions and at different altitudes. They were all successfully eliminated, the military representatives said. The Taurus-II DT is based on the Taurus-M2 missile system, SA-15 Gauntlet, and is attached to a DT-30 belt wagon. Its missiles have a range of 15 kilometers. The system was first displayed in public during the May 9th military parade in Moscow in 2017. The Taurus missile system is made for all-weather surface-to-air combat and was designed from the start to shoot down precision-guided weapons during day and night, in bad weather and jamming situations. India is planning to arm its Sukhoi Su-30 Mki frontline fighter jets with Israeli Derby missiles. The Indian Air Force may first have to take permission of the Russian government as per the licensed technical documentation of the aircraft. The Su-30 Mki jet is currently equipped with the R-77 RVE missile. But its limited range has prompted the Indian Air Force to integrate Israel-made Derby missile on the jets by 2022. The Indian Air Force is also unable to integrate the French-made MBDA Mica BVR missiles, fitted to the Mirage 2000 for the Sukhoi jets due to the restrictions imposed upon by the French government. The Derby is a beyond visual range air-to-air missile which has range of 100 kilometers and is considered to be a highly potent weapon for medium and short-range engagements. It is equipped with a software-defined radar seeker and a dual-pulse solid rocket motor to turn the missile into a fire-and-forget weapon under all weather conditions.